Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and today I have a quick review for you. This is the UpLULA. It's a UpLULA, okay? UpLULA. And I want you to say that 3 times fast. Anyway, if you haven't seen this universal pistol loader, it is quite the gadget and really is a necessity if you do a lot of magazine loading. And I'll show you here in a minute why. But the UpLULA, UpLULA, is a military quality universal pistol magazine loader and unloader designed for loading and unloading virtually all 9mm Luger all the way up to 45 ACP magazines, single and double stack, of all manufacturers, and it does so easily, reliably, and painlessly. Okay, loads all 9mm Luger, 10mm, 357 mag, 10mm, 40, and 45 ACP single and double stack magazines, including 1911 magazines of all manufacturers. Now I'm gonna demo. I have a few different magazines here, and we're gonna demo how to do this. This is 1911 mag, okay, and you just take the UpLULA and put it over, and you just use it to push down on the center of the mag. Okay, let me get this in frame here for you to see. So you push down, your feet have ground in, you let out, come back up, push down, put a round in, back up, down, put a round in, and you can see that once you get a rhythm going, it goes quite fast. And there you have it. This is another 45 ACP. This is to my my compact 1911, and you can just see how quickly this goes. There you have it. Usually, when you sit there loading a mag, your thumb gets tired of pushing down and in, and the next one, and boy, this eliminates all that. So you take this, happens to be to the Beretta. It's 9mm, okay, but you can just see, you just put it in, go down, and you can really get a rhythm going. I've done this at the range. Instead of having a tabletop, just put it right on my knee and push down and load mags while I'm waiting for a turn to go up and fire. Voila. Okay, this is to another 9mm Walter PPS, and it'll go as fast as you want it to go. And the last but not least that I have here is my 380 for my LCP. Now, even though the the instructions don't, and the literature doesn't say it'll do 380, I found the only thing it won't do is a 22. But way, so that's all there is to it. So you go in, press down, put your round in, up, down. Of course, you got to put the round in the right way. You don't want firing back at yourself. Done. Okay, and my thumb doesn't hurt. Okay. Anyway, that is the UpLULA They're a little pricey. Get them on eBay. You can buy them new online. You can buy them from Midway USA. 35 bucks. But if you shoot a lot of mags and you're sitting there and your thumb hurts every time you do it, you can actually see the wear on this arm that comes out from the rounds going in. So, well used. Anyway, that is the UpLULA, and I highly recommend if you have guns with magazines. Okay. One size fits all, no insert spaces or adjustments at all. Okay, easy loading, the rounds just drop in with no fingers pushing or pressing them. No more pain, load hundreds of rounds painlessly. Protects your fingers and mags. Up to 1 round per second loading rate, 1/3 of the time loading mags compared to the thumb loading. Fits in hand and in pocket, weighs only 66 grams or 2.3 ounces, and is highly durable. Highly recommend it. That is the UpLULA. Okay, as always, this is Firearm Pop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.